Look at the husband and wife
Oh, right.
working on their cars together.
Look how easy bitches off.
There you go. Hello. This is attempt number 4 at making a video, and hopefully it actually gets completed.
Hopefully.
Yeah. The hopes are low or not. So, what are we working on today?
Put in,
Or what are you working on?
doing like Euro OEM fog lights. So on these, there's that little hole right there that where a fog light is at, but for some reason, I guess US cars didn't get them.
What's the top part supposed to be?
The turn
it's the
signal.
turn signal.
So you can buy a harness off of Euro Tuning.
Shout out to Euro Tuning.
Yeah, shout out to Euro Tuning. And then supposedly it's H3 bolts, but I've never done anything like this, so we'll see how it goes, if it goes.
Yeah, exactly. Because we tried making a video yesterday.
We saw how that.
Yesterday we were trying to install subs in a 2020 Corolla, which has belonged to our friend Dale, but that didn't go as planned. My car, as you can see, is in here, and yes, I still have it if this makes it to the internet. It's just I didn't drop it. What are you working on?
A Statty Caddy.
Statty Caddy.
Well, new bumper. I mean, new grill.
New grill. New grill
From the
for the.
junkyard.
It's a little. This is gonna be the next project on the channel. We're gonna project fix the caddy and drift it at Spirit. Yeah, it's been lady driven. Hey, I will say
The other side is a lot cleaner.
the wheels aren't curved.
Yes, they are.
Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, they
It's
are.
probably on.
It's just this chrome. You can't
It's
really
more
tell.
on the back wheel because when I
The
take
missing
my
side
turner,
skirt. Now it's not from getting into any accidents or anything. It's actually from. So she's a pro-am drifter, and this is her drift car.
Yeah.
It's a CTS-V,
it's not
V6 swapped CTS-V. So we took the V8 out and put a V6 in it. Yeah, she'll be back.
This one's pin number 2. That's where the harness goes to. I should
What does
probably,
it
I
look
should
like?
probably open.
Yeah, let's see what it
Look
what
how
it
hard
comes
that
in
was.
at.
You know, I'm gonna just raw it like that.
Honestly, put your little air intakes. Oh no, so no.
I'm gonna make it go like that. Straightforward.
You're 18. So you have to pin that connector.
Yeah, I had to.
And then
well,
run
on
it
the
to the-
video that I saw, the guy just popped that purple thing out, and obviously when you pull it out, it unlocks all the pins. You could just shove it through.
In theory,
In theory.
that's how it should work. But usually when we try things, it doesn't work how it's supposed to. You know, like the sub. So
Here's a relay box that the guy put under here and just kind of ran
ran the wires all the way
the
through.
wires. And then this blue one goes all the way to my.
So that one goes to the switch.
Yeah, that one goes inside over there. And then ground, power. This one goes to that one. This one goes to this one. Is that
So it
even
should
long
work.
enough? Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
all right. So what I'm gonna do is
Wait. So how do you? Oh, it has two. Okay, one for that side.
one.
Okay.
Yeah, the yellow ones are the ones that go into the harness.
Uh-huh.
In theory, I'm saying
Yeah.
in theory because I don't know if it's gonna work.
It should.
So I'm gonna just take this cover off and attach this under the cover in here somewhere. So I
What are you
can
gonna drill a hole or just put it?
I might just. She has little things I can probably poke a hole through. And it should work.
Should.
Theoretically.
Yeah. The luck we've been having, and it should work. You know, we still got daylight at least.
Yeah.
For now.
This is not a GLI, by the way.
It is a GLO.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's
'Cause
just
I had too much oil leaks and problems with the 1A, so I just saw a different one in these bad boys.
a 2-point slow.
I was hurting too many feelings, gapping people. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be nice.
Just put a worse motor. Well, maybe not worse, but put the slower motor in. Women are gonna comment on
And you
this
gotta
video.
pop this grommet out.
So you pop that out.
See, look at that. They're like, no fog lights for you.
USDM shit.
You wouldn't understand. Everybody understood. And just
Then you
like,
pop that one in. If it goes in.
I need a smaller one of these yellows.
Oh,
should I take this shit out? Does any of them have it? No, none. Well, it looks like it's supposed to be on there.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, the rest of them have them on there. Doesn't fit the connector. Is it upside down?
Hope all the connectors just came out.
And they all shuffled out of order. Oh boy. It's not working.
There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
Okay, getting something done. So pretty much you do that on the other side. And then the blue wire goes to the switch, which he has the stock
the other way.
switch to the... I might be able to get that.
Oh, yeah. Another thing I'll need is a Euro switch. I forgot to say.
Yeah.
So with
If you're trying to do this on your Mark 4 Jetta, you need the actual Euro switch.
You can get it off of Amazon for 20 bucks. That's what I did. So you turn them on. That's your front fogs and that's your rear fogs. Obviously, I don't have them on yet.
Mm-hmm.
That's parking, you know.
Yeah.
But that's just 20 bucks on eBay. Or not eBay. Or probably, you could probably get them on eBay.
eBay, Amazon,
Whichever comes first.
whichever's cheaper and has free 2-day shipping. Amazon.
Shout out to Prime.
Oh, my shift not been here.
No, it's till Monday. I told you
Oh
Monday.
yeah, it's a weekday or weekend.
So one thing I do want to see, I don't know if this thing has the plug for it though.
You know what? Fuck that one. I'm moving to a different one.
Wouldn't it be that one?
Oh yeah, it is that one. I was like, hold up.
This side is done. Unfortunately, someone ran the wire a little bit finicky, so now it's just gonna be like that.
I'm gonna just zip tie right there.
Yeah, it's what is this anyway?
I don't fucking know. This car has such random shit.
Does it not come off?
I don't want to fuck with it. I'll probably.
I know it might break.
Alright, so this one is.
So pretty much you just, this part is the easy part.
The
You
hardest
pretty
part
much
is gonna be
just
running
repeat
the.
it's
gonna be running the shit.
all the rest of the wires. And I can find a hole over there.
No, I might just
stick it
run
through.
it through where I ran my sub wire. A tip,
The-
if y'all want to do this, kind of get it from over here and just kind of scooch it to the side a little bit, and it'll.
Oh, it's only half of it. Oh, okay,
You
okay.
know what? Fuck it. I'm having this thing.
There you go. And it's out.
And it's just a little retainer that holds the pins in.
See, Volkswagens aren't that bad.
Yeah, because you got the simplest.
And get one of these.
Yeah.
They're really small ones because they're actually
Like the cell phone flathead screwdrivers.
I'm finna sell this on Marketplace.
If anyone will buy,
Someone with a Honda will buy it.
yeah, 3,500 our best offer.
Damn, I lost it.
We can find another one. Just pop out another connector. The connector fell out.
Are you serious?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Falls out when you hit a bump.
You hear that click?
Meanwhile.
So, he has the headlight part actually pinned in. You just have to take this blue wire, which is what we said earlier. The blue wire goes to the back of the switch. So we're gonna try to fish it through there where that sub wire is at, right down there. Oh no, it's upside down. I can flip it. But we're gonna try to fish it through there, and then he has to take the switch out, and then pretty much do the same thing he did with the yellow wires, and put the pin on that connector. And then you have to take these two, connect those to the battery, and theoretically, it should work.
Things off?
It'll come off.
It is. Ow. Fuck. I just cut myself again.
God damn it. You're gonna go to work tomorrow and be like, oh my God, are you being abused? No, I was working on my car. It's off. How long
My
did it
back.
take?
Well, I don't know. Ever since we fucking started, and look at my thumb. My
Where?
thumb from that.
So what are you doing?
Taking out this under tray. Which
Captain.
uses T15s instead of Phillips, because you know.
Because of Volkswagen. Because of Volkswagen.
Hey, go on the engine bay, bro.
Oh, did you pop it through? Yes.
You think you could zip tie that wire to the edge of the flathead and I'll just pull it through?
I can try to. So we're gonna have to, since that wire, or where we have to run it through, it's in such a weird spot, we're gonna zip tie it to this Phillips head screwdriver and then push it through the grommet hole. And then he's gonna go on the other end and grab it. Look at this 240.
It's in my shed.
What, the zip ties?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Bert the girth.
The 240. You know, fun fact, this thing has been on this channel before, many moons ago. Soon this thing's gonna be at out there sliding with the big boys and girls. Yeah. When this thing will be back.
Yeah, once Nissan delivers my part.
Everything's on back order. But it's slightly behind it.
Yeah, I need to get a light attachment for this thing.
Yeah, I should have put. There we go. That should work.
Oh, tight it. I'll make it tighter, dude. All right. That should work. All right. I need to take it off.
If it rips. Oh yeah. Oh, you can just cut. So we have got the wire through. It's ran down there. If you can see that, all the way down there. If you can see that. Everything else is done. The only thing he has to do now is, like I said, that blue wire. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. The blue wire. Excuse my dry lips. It's cold. The blue wire goes to the back of the switch, and then the other two wires that are up here go to negative and positive on the battery. And hopefully, if everything's pinned right, we follow the instructions right, they should turn on. So if you have the Euro fog light.
Oh no, this is just the regular harness.
The regular headlight
harness. It
harness.
goes into pin number 8.
Pin number 8.
Should just pop in there. Just like that. Now. Oh, we need. Should we connect the ground and shit just to test it out?
Yeah, before you put it all back. So we're just gonna connect the negative and positive just to make sure it works.
Actually, can't you just touch them?
Oh yeah, I'll just hold it on there.
Just hold them.
We got everything plugged in. I'm just gonna touch these on the battery just to make sure that they turn on. We had a little scare, the lights wouldn't turn on, but the pins just weren't slid all the way up in the connectors. So I'm just gonna touch this on here and see if they turn on. All right. Oh shit! They work. Yeah, it's just that clicking because I'm holding it. So there you go. Bro, that looks good.
Hold it. Bro, hell yeah. Alright, let's clean all this shit up and continue.
Yeah. So yeah.
Damn. Alright,
It worked. So we got everything all buttoned up under here. We still gotta do the interior a little bit. And we can show you guys what it looks like. Turn them on. Shit. There we go. Yes, it.
They look
I
good.
like them.
It's
The purple and yellow people.
plugs for everything.
Oh, I know.
And is basic. You don't need to strip anything, or
It's literally plug and play. Yeah, everything.
The only tools you need is a Phillips. If you want to take off your bumper and your headlights like I did just to be extra, it's T30s, T25s, and T15s for the under panel inside the car, so you can get access.
It was a lot easier.
Yeah. And yeah, it's literally plug and play.
Yeah.
Well, for the headlights, it's this little compartment. Show them real quick. It's this one, not the main one. This is where the fog light is at, and the turn
fog light
signal.
and turn signal.
Yeah.
As you see.
And you need to have. You can't do these on a stock Jetta headlight.
You
I
need
don't know
the.
if I said that already.
No, I don't think so.
But
well, yeah, we did say that in the beginning.
Oh yeah.
You need the Euro spec.
Yeah. Or these are eBay headlights. They just have to have the fog light cut out for it. But yeah, I mean, that was pretty easy.
$50
For 50
Oh,
bucks, I think.
there they go.
Cool.
It's starting to strobe. That is not because it's on camera. That is actually what it's doing in real life.
Dude, that looks awesome.
All right, guys. So we finished everything. Everything's Gucci. Oh, jeez. That thing's just loud. So we finished everything. We're just about to go to Walmart because I have to run to Walmart and get some stuff. And we can show you guys how it looks. But look how bright they are. They're literally just as bright as his headlights. Insane. So it was pretty easy. Like, this might be the first thing that I've ever filmed or helped with that's on video installed that actually went right. So we didn't run into any issue. Well, we kind of did run into an issue. So for that one, like we said earlier, for the switch itself, you had to run that blue wire through the car. But we just put the pin in the back of the connector and then hooked everything else up to make sure it was going to work. And we kind of screwed ourselves because we didn't run it through. So we just cut it, spliced it, and put a butt connector on it because we couldn't figure out how to get the pin out without breaking it. But no big deal, it still works. It's all Gucci. So we're gonna head to Walmart and a car wash, and that'll probably be the end of this video. So we don't really have anything else much to do. We're pretty boring. Yeah, if you ever wanted to learn how to install fog lights on a Mark 4 Jetta, for the ones that are for like the Euro spec ones that are built into the headlight that has the socket for it, here you go.